Yes, Layla, she was rescued from South Georgia. Owner gave up her mate, which was a boxer black lab mix, male, and her, and she was still nursing her 6 puppies.
Oh, okay.
And we found homes for them a while ago, and she's still here because she's got heartworms, but we're getting her treated. She started heartworm treatment 2 weeks ago. She's got another 6 weeks to go before she's completed her treatment.
Right.
And then she'll be adoptable. So her main goal here today is to get some exposure and socialization because she's real shy. She was not a pet. She was outside in a little pen. She didn't know what a leash was or how to walk on one. She's very good with people, very submissive, very gentle with children. She's been with the neighbors' kids, come over all the time, and she's been fine with them. They have different ages, and she's good with other dogs, big, little, male, female, doesn't matter. She's free fed with the adult dogs. We leave food down all the time, and they are